Hello and welcome to Python Pop Quiz with Michael Driscoll. In today's episode, we will talk about unpacking. So here's a pop quiz that I wrote a while ago, and I wondered, if I do A, comma, star B, comma, C, what will be the result of B? What do you think? You can pause the video here and try to figure it out yourself if you'd like. All right, let's take a look at this and try to figure it out. First of all, let's try running it with just doing A, B, and C without the star in there and see what happens. You'll end up with a value error because there's too many values to unpack, and it expected 3. So this would work if we removed the 4 and the 5 and we reran it, then B would be 2. But when you have too many items on the right to unpack and to the left, you end up with this value error. One way around that is to add the star. Now when we run it, A will be 1, C will be whatever the last value is, in this case 5, and B will be the middle 3 values, 2, 3, and 4 in a list. Isn't that really cool? In Python, this is known as Unpacking Generalizations. They've added new ones fairly recently in 3.5, so it's been a few years. But they have a lot of interesting examples in this PEP 448. I'm going to show you a couple of them just really quickly because I think they're really cool. So here we have print, star, and we have these are lists with one item in them. If you run this, you can see that it unpacks the 1 from the list and the 2 from this list, so you just end up with 1, 2, and 3. I think that's kind of cool. We also have this neat dictionary example where you can unpack the dictionary to convert it into a dictionary. It's kind of a trippy way to do it. But if you run it, you end up with a dictionary that has X is 1, Y is 2, and Z is 3. This just gives you more flexibility in unpacking different types of iterables in Python. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it.